Alright guys, once again good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Yes, so basically I'm going to take you through how to place a trade and the things to consider when you are placing a trade. Yes, what you have to do is that you have to first of all look at the trend and see either it's a downtrend or an uptrend or a range. Now when you are done with the trend, you can now look at other factors that you have to look at. You can look for other confirmations such as the candlestick, individual candlestick, and how it is forming, either shooting star, hammer, morning star, evening star, double bottom, double top, head and shoulders, and all that you have to look at. Yes. So if you look at this, yeah, you can see that is a down my retrace too. So if you look at this one, is although it's a downtrend, this is one R, but realize that the market has started moving upward. Yes, so you can look for other factors before you can even place a trade. And even if you look at the last bar three candlesticks, you can see that it's even forming a morning star. Yes, so this means that you can enter the trade for a buy. But at least for in forex trading, you don't need to depend on only one figure or only one information. You have to look for other information to give us more clear mindset of either we are to buy or we are to sell. So you have to take notice of that. So when you are placing your trade, things that you have to consider are you have to look at the various time frames. So 1 month, you come and check here. Yeah, it's loading. So let's wait for it. You come and check 1 month, either it's an uptrend. So you zoom in, yeah, to allow you to see how physically the candlesticks are forming. Then you zoom out again to see the clear trend. Yeah, sorry, I've used a lot of things here, so you might not see that. Let's go to 1 week. Yeah, so look at 1 week. Look at 1 week. Yes, though it's trending down, but it's an uptrend. If you draw this, it's an uptrend. Yes, draw this one, it's an uptrend. Let me remove some of the horizontal lines so they can see very clear. All right, so this is how it is. You draw your trend line. You have it here. From here, see that there was a break. Yes, no, it has broken through it, which means that the market might move downward. Because I'm not confirmed, I'm just trying to teach you how to do things. So you draw your trend line like this. You see that the market had a breakout here, but sometimes it could be a false breakout. Yes, so you have to consider other factors. Then you come here, you come and check where the market is going. You see that it has even broken my trend line already. You know, then you come to 1 hour, you come and check how it is. You see that it has broken my trend line already, but you can draw other trend lines to show other things. But let me remove the trend line so that it doesn't confuse you. Yes, so you see that it still has an uptrend with these time frames. It's that there was a breakout. So if case maybe you were to be trained or you could have entered early, you can use these ones as a support and resistance. So normally the support is below and the resistance is the highest, or the highest uh, price that it got to. So this one, let me change the color. Okay, let me change the color of the support for the support line so you can see it very clear. So you come here. Normally you can use red, any color you want to, just to denote it. You are just trying to see how it is done. Then you have your support here. Then you have your resistance at the top here. Yes. So these are the things that you have to consider when placing your trade. So now you can come and draw another one here. So realize that the market is still has still not gotten to this previous support. So there's high probability the market might get to this one. If it gets to this one, it could bounce back and it goes up again. Then you have to be looking for a buy position if you want. Or but if in case you get here and it doesn't retest, it might break down or pull more down, which might give you a sell signal. Then you keep on selling until you get to this last one, the previous one here. You see that there are previous lows here. So these are the things that you have to consider when you are placing your trade. Alright, then we come to 1 hour. Come and look at how it is. So you have to zoom out so that you can see, because I've already drawn some support and resistance lines. So you can see very clear. So you see that the market is still not gotten to this place. So but you see that it has gone to this previous one, the previous low here. So we can return and go back. So we have to be looking for any possible means. Or if it doesn't, if it keep on breaking out, it come to this place. So for example, if in case I want to give my stop loss and take profit, for example, if in case I want to sell, I think that the market will have a breakout and it comes down here. So if I think the market will come down here, what I'll do is that I'll put my take profit here. So let me write it so you can see. So you come here, take profit. Yes, I'm likely to put my take profit here because the market moves in sections. So unless it gets to this point, then it can move down further. So if you make a mistake and you put your take profit below this one, it might end up not getting to your take profit and the market will reverse and you'll be in loss. That's why sometimes you place a trade and the trade never hit the take profit. By the time you realize it has reversed and you are in a negative balance or you are losing money. So whenever you are trading, you have to use this support and resistance level to place your take profit and your stop loss. Alright, I hope you are clear with me. For example, if in case I want to place my stop loss again, I can come here and place it here. We have something called risk to reward ratio that along the way we learn to understand how it works. I can put my stop loss here. If in case I think that this one is too closer to the current price, I can move it a little up. So at least I don't get stop out early. So for example, I'll bring my stop loss here. So let me write it. Stop loss. So the SL is for stop loss and the TP is for take profit. Yes. So these are possible ways that you can put your stop loss and your take profit. Probably I think that this one is giving us 50-50 a profit or loss. Looking at where the market is currently at, this one is giving us 50-50, or we are likely to get 50-50 percentage of loss or profit. But mostly it's preferred that you get 1:2 ratio or 1:2.5, 1:3, and the rest. Yes, meaning that your profit, if in case the market runs to your profit, it should be more than twice as if in case it had gone to your stop loss that would have given a loss. So for example, if in case I would have been making $50 as profit, at least I should be losing $25. I don't know if you understand my point. Yes, so that's how we trade, or that is what we call the risk to reward ratio. The reward is always bigger than the risk. That's how we trade. So that you can be making, if not that, if you keep on making it, the take profit very smaller as compared to the stop loss, you will not be making much money. Most of the time, you'll be losing money than you are making. So that is how it is. So let me zoom out so that you can see it very clear. Yes, so these are the things that you have to consider when we are placing your stop loss and your take profit. Now let's come to 30 minutes. Yes. So you said 30 minutes it has started rising. Yes. But although it's a downtrend, it has started rising on the 30 minutes. See that it's given the downtrend though, but it has started rising. So you can look at how you can see it and take your or do your stop loss and take profit. Yes, you should decide on how to do it. So, for example, if case I want to buy, for example, let's consider, maybe we consider buying. These are the possible ways, or this is the possible take profit I can give. So that's why sometimes we normally use the Fibonacci retracement. Yes, so we use it here. Yes, this is called Fibonacci retracement. This is what we normally use to trade, so that we can use. Sometimes see take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Yes, so we can start take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. Yes, along the way we learn it. So yes, I think you can also watch other videos to learn how to use the Fibonacci retracement. I'm not here to teach you the Fibonacci retracement. I'm actually going to just give you how it is done. Yes, so this is how you do it. Then you see, okay, the first one is take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So for example, in case I'm supposed to put in my take profit here, where I have to put it is likely to be at this point. This is where I'm likely to put my take profit. Yes, so this is the possible take profit. Wow. This is the possible take profit I'm likely to give to it. Yeah, so you can, okay, shift so that I can copy it. Okay, control. Yes. So let me do some editing here. So take profit 2 here, take profit 1 here. Yes. And so if in case I want to set for stop loss, yes, you have to look for the previous lows. Then you can put your stop loss there. So that is very close to the market. But if in case the momentum for the buy is very strong, you can bring it closer. But sometimes bring it too closer, in no time you lose the trade, or the trade might end with your stop loss, which is not good. Sometimes you have to try to bring it down small so that you don't lose your trade. So you see that this is the normal. So this is the corresponding normal. So if I want to place trade, this is how I'm going to give my stop loss and take profit. So placing the trade, you come to new order, then you set your volume or the lot size. Yeah, each instrument and its minimum lot size you have to use. When it comes to crypto, it's different. When it comes to forex, it's different. And when it comes to volatility, it's different. But this is volatility. It's worth for all. This is volatility. Then if you are buying, you click on your buy. If you are selling, you click on your sell. Then you move on. Yes. So these are ways you can use to set your stop loss and your take profit as a beginner. Along the way, the other factors you have to consider, but this is as a beginner for practice only. Yes, this is not meant for real trading. Before you enter into real trading, you have to understand the market and how it plays before, so that you don't lose money anyhow. Yes, it is necessary. This is business. Yes, so you have to put in all the necessary effort to understand how the market works. If not, that then you lose your money and you think that forex trading or crypto trading is not real. It's real, just that you don't have much knowledge or enough knowledge to understand how the market works. So you need to understand it before you enter your trade. Yes. So these are ways that you can put in place to key in your stop loss and your take profit so that you don't end up in losing, but at least you make profit at the end of the day. So yes, as I was saying, let me start again. You look for your various support and resistance levels, then you put in the stop loss and your take profit with respect to the support and resistance. So let's use that. This one is very clear, I think. Okay, let's check for this. Yes, this one is the same as if you're using your phone to analyze it. So just reduce the risk in the candlestick size by zooming out. Then you can see very clear on your phone. If you are using MetaTrader to do the stop loss and take profit, it's the same thing. But this one is laptop, so definitely they are a little different. The difference is just that this laptop and yours might be phone or any other electronic gadget that you are using or electronic that you are using. So that's just the difference. So as I said earlier, if in case maybe this market you think that is going upward, because I'm not analyzing the market, take note, I'm not analyzing it. I'm just trying to give you how we normally come out with these stop loss and take profit. So let me recap again so that you understand. So if in case I want to put stop loss and take profit for this is how I'm going to do it. So I look at the previous lows. For example, if I want to buy, I look at the previous lows. Then I bring my stop loss to it. Then I'll now look at the previous of the resistance aspect. Then I now bring my take profit also closer to it. So as I was saying, this could be our resistance. Yes, but sometimes it's difficult for the market to move from here, below here to there, to that point. Sometimes it's not easy. Or it might even take number of days. Because maybe you want to make the profit in no time, it's better for you to reduce your take profit points or the pips so that you can enter or you can get into your take profit early or for the market to close for you as early as possible. Yes. So you can bring it closer here, either take profit 1 or take profit 2, or either of them might hit. But if it gets here, there are other factors you have to consider before you can also place for sell or for buy. Yes. So this is how you place your stop loss on your take profit whenever you want to place trade. Yes, I hope you understand it. But if you don't understand it and you have any question, you can message me. Yes. I'll explain to you how it works. I don't know. This is for beginners. I know as for experience trading, understand this one more. Yes, but this is just for beginners. How to set your stop loss and take profit. This is just for learning purposes. So please don't use your money on it. I beg you. Yes, don't use your money. Just learn to understand it first before using your money, so that you don't come and complain. Yes. So basically, that's how it is. Yes. So I can use this red line, the horizontal line, as my stop loss, then take profit here with a blue line. Yes. Anyway, from this place to this place is okay. But bringing two here is very far. So sometimes someone will see that okay, if you bring it to this point, you make so much money. So you're interested in the money, not necessarily in the analysis of the market, which is very wrong. I should be interested in the analysis and understand what is going on, so that at the end of the day, you can make your profit as early as possible. Then leave the market for other formations to take place. Or else, if you don't do that, the market keep on changing. So anything can affect it. That's why it's very important for you to consider these factors so that you don't increase your take profit margin too high. Then you can make the profit as early as possible. Then you leave the market. Then you enter another time. Alright, so thanks so much for watching my teachings or my tutorials. I wish you all the best. If you have any question, you can ask me. Do well to subscribe to my channel, and I wish you all the best and have a nice moment. Thank you.